Don't push her off. No, it's not gonna break. Whoa. What?
Seriously, our house is on a porch.
This is like a tree house.
That's right.
Okay, stop. She's right there. Stop. Stop. Wait until she gets up. Okay. Look, are you okay? Go get her. Go get her.
This was fun. Whoa. Mommy, on a TV day, can I have it? I have TV.
What is it? I think Leo wants to turn.
She can sit next to me.
No, you guys can't both be in it together. She squirms around too much and somebody will definitely fall off. Boom.
Mommy. Can I take my shoes off?
Yes.